Hello Leo, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, and I am here today with your love guidance from July 16th to the 31st. Welcome you all. Thank you so much for being here today. So, you guys, we're going to be talking about what's going on with you and a special love interest that you may be thinking about, someone that you may be wanting to have a relationship with, a person that you may have a situationship with. So that is what this is going to be definitely aimed toward. However, if you have someone in your life who you're already with, you're already, in a real relationship with them, then some of these messages may apply. However, the target is for those of you who are interested in someone. But either way, if it resonates with you, I hope it does. Hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. All right, so guys, we're going to talk about two things. We're going to look at how you feel, how this person feels about you, and how you see things and how they see you. After that, if you guys want to go deeper and you want to find out more information, there's going to be an exclusive video that you can gain access to. You can watch this video as much as you would like, and it's going to go deeper. It's going to reveal some secrets, some things, some very, very helpful and important information for how you should be seeing things, how you can change the way you see things, possibly to make a connection work, or finding healthy solutions that will help. So if you guys are interested, get the extended. The link is down below in the description box. Leo, let's get into it. How do you feel about your person of interest during this time frame? It looks like some of you may find yourself reminiscing about something. Something about the past comes up. It's either a past connection or something about the past within a current connection is coming up. Something is reminding you of the past, or maybe there's something compatible with now and the past that are like similar or just alike. Or there's a past person coming up. The past and now kind of merges or is colliding. It could also be from a past life as well, or a past life connection. Just know that it's something about the past coming up. Now, what I also get here, what I'm seeing is that some of you may be trying to connect the dots so that you're not swayed by your own emotions, but really by the cold, hard facts of what you truly know about someone or about a connection. So what I'm getting and putting this together, it feels like something about the past comes up to try to tempt you, or to change your emotions, or to make you feel some type of way, or to sway how you see someone. But I think that what is required right now is for you to look at the cold, hard facts, the actual fact of the matter in dealing with a connection or a love interest, because your emotions could be leading you into thinking not quite the right way about a connection or a person right now. So I think that right now, what's going to help you is something I see a lot of you Leos doing. You may find that you are wanting to remove yourself away from shallow connections and shallow people. It's like you're narrowing down your list of friends, or you are zoning in on a particular connection that feels more real and potent. Or possibly, maybe you don't have any real or potent connections in your life. Maybe everything around you is pretty shallow. Maybe you work around shallow people. Maybe you are in a family full of shallow people. It really just depends. But there is something really shallow that you've been around, and you're just like, I don't want that. Like, I don't want a shallow relationship. I don't want a shallow partner. I don't want these friendships. I don't want to be around these people. So there is something here, because your mindset is shifting, Leo, at this time. And so now I feel like you're wanting something more real and potent. You don't want anything fake. No fake people, no fake love, no fake relationships, no fake connections, right? So that's what I sense that you guys are on. Now, your person of interest and how they are feeling about you. This person could be feeling lonely. They could be at a distance from you. You guys could be separated, or you could have had like a breakup, or You just could be at a distance, but this person is wanting you. They're missing you. They absolutely love your vibe. This is a person who feels very positive about you, and they see you also as a positive and eccentric kind of person, Leo. So you may be a Leo that's into, of course, spirituality. That's eccentric, or you may have an eccentric style. Whatever it is, they see you as being just this ray of sunshine, and they feel that, right now they feel like positive within themselves as well. This is someone who feels like they're loving on themselves or feeling themselves right now. So this person is choosing self-love, which is really helping them to stay open to love as well. Because the more this person loves themselves, of course, the more open they're going to be for love or for other connections, including yours with this person. So they are staying open for love right now. But I'm also getting that even though this person is showing more love and self-care to themselves, they also seek validation from you. And it's something about you letting this person know that they've still got it. Maybe this is someone whose self-esteem was kind of, low, or took a hit somewhere down the line. Maybe it's like your opinion matters with this person. Maybe their public reputation. Maybe it's the way they see themselves. Maybe it's something about themselves that they don't really like. But it's something about you validating this person. They're seeking that from you. They want to hear you say they look good. They want to hear you say they're sexy, they're fine, they're handsome, or they're gorgeous, or whatever. It could be male or female. But they want to hear you say things about them. It's not really to gas them up, but it is. But what it's gonna do is make this person feel really, really good. This is like a genuine yearning to hear what your honest opinions are about them, how interested you are in them. Your opinions really do matter to this person, and they want to know more. Like, they want to know, do you really like me? Are you really interested in me? Or do you really love me? Or, what if I have, stretch marks? Are you still going to like me? Or what if I have anything, right? Like, are you still going to accept this? So this person could be thinking about things. Maybe this is someone with a lot of tattoos or something. I don't know. But they could be, really not the most confident person, no matter how they look. They could be so handsome. They could be so beautiful. But they may be asking, like, do you still like me if I have all these tattoos? This could be somebody who's covered with tattoos. Some of you may even be dealing with someone who's got tattoos in the face, but it doesn't matter. It's like whatever this person has, for some of you, it's just they're insecure about something. Okay, they're insecure about something. It could be anything. It could be tattoos. It could be body marks, bruises. It could be their weight. It could be their height. It could be some other flaws. Whatever it is, this person is like seeing themselves as flawed, and they're just trying to see, like, they need to know how you really feel about them. This person needs to know that you're really interested in them, and I mean really interested in them, that you're just not wanting to deal with them for certain reasons, that you fully accept who they are, flaws and all. This is someone who's really, really, really wanting you to really like them. That's what I'm getting here. Now, your point of view, and how do you actually see them? I want to know if you see the same things that they see. For you, you see a beautiful creation that God has made. That's deep, Leo. Like, you see this person as this spark. They are the spark. They bring that spark of passion and romance back into your life. You see them as a light. So this is someone who carries this beautiful golden aura, this golden light, and you see them as a pure-hearted person. And that you know that this person has something really creative about them. This could be a very talented person. You see their talent. So this could be a musician, an artist. They're good with their hands, whoever this is. For some of you, this person does really creative things with their hands. They draw, they paint, or they sing, or they rap, or this is a person who maybe is, I don't know, maybe a hairstylist, a massage therapist, anything with the hands, right? Anything with the hands. This person is really gifted in something, and that's the way you see them. Also, you may feel that this is a very protected person. You may feel that spiritually this person has a shield of protection around them every day, and they've got this divine light following them. This is someone who you find to bring clarity into your life, insight. They are radiant in your eyes. They're sweet, passionate, and they may have higher knowledge about certain things. But this is someone who is blessed with a colorful aura or a colorful mind. They're very creative. They have a big imagination. They could be a writer for some of you. But this is someone who you know has talents. And so you see this person focusing on creating magic right now, with whatever it is that they do in their career specifically. Now, how do they see you? They see you as their mirror soul. So if you see them as this really creative and colorful, unique and bright person, they see you the same. So this is like a two creative souls that are mirroring each other right now. So they're mirroring you and you're mirroring them, which means that you both are in this extremely creative energy, which is very beautiful, because what's happening here is that you guys admire one another. That's what's going on. But I feel like they need to know, like they know that you admire their creativity, Leo. They know that you admire their talents, Leo. They know that you like what they do for a living, Leo. But do you really like them, or do you really want them, or how do you really see them? Like this person it almost feels like bullet points. It almost feels like this person needs you to bullet point everything that you really, really like about them or really love about them. It's like, without them saying anything, they just kind of want that validation from you. They really are. They're like, I wonder if the Leo likes my hair like this, my eye color, or my curves, or my, it's just, they want to know everything. And I just feel like they see this love as ancient love with you. Like this is definitely a past life connection. This is definitely someone that you know or remember from your past life. This person sees you like you can hurt them, but you can also heal them. You're like the wound and the band-aid at the same time. You can bring this person up and you can bring them down. You can shake this person's world upside down, but then make it all right again. You have that kind of power in this person's eyes, Leo. And this allows this person the freedom to become fully awakened in knowing who they are and also who you two are on a soul level. They know how deeply you resonate with their soul. They know that this is something coming from a past life. So this is a person who understands and has a new level of spiritual insight, and this is making them happier about the connection on a regular basis, because what they're understanding is that this really is something that could last forever. I just need to keep thinking positively. Also, the way they see you is that your creativity is coming out now, possibly because of them. They seem like a really creative person, and this is coming out now for you. This person sees you being able to serve many, 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 many people in the world with great compassion, because you have skills. You have skills, and that's how this person sees you. So the same way that you see them, that is exactly how they see you. So they kind of want you to stop hiding under a bush. You're being exposed and put into a spotlight right now, Leo. Leo, something that you do for a living or that you're talented in, they see you have awakened to your powerful, either your spiritual gifts, Leo, or powerful creative gifts. Whatever it is, They see you now understanding that you are just as powerful as them, or just as unique as them, or just as talented as them, or just as creative and business savvy as them. They see that you see the potential that you have now. So this person is like, listen, I'm going to expose you. I'm going to start passing out your business cards for you. I'm going to tell my friends and family about you and what you do, your services. I'm going to put you where I see that you can be. I need you to be there. I need you to take control of your destiny. It's like this person can see your calling, right? And they're like, yeah, you're admiring me, which is great because I do need the validation from you, but at the same time, you're amazing. So yes, you're just like me. I need you to not, let the past get in the way. I need you to realize who you really are, and that you're waking up to your true soul self. And that same love and light that you see in me, you can see this in yourself too, Leo. And you can be this really creative and dope and inspiring person too. You can do the things that you love to do. So they are definitely, you guys are so inspirational together. Super, super encouraging and positive. So that's what I'm getting here with you and this person. I hope this helps. God bless.